Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make jelly toffee at home. First, let's gather our ingredients and equipment. You'll need sugar, butter, gelatin, and a few other common items. A candy thermometer is crucial for achieving the perfect consistency, so have that ready. Make sure your pots and pans are clean and dry before you begin. This preparation step is key to a smooth cooking process. Now let's start cooking our toffee base. In a heavy-bottomed pot, combine your sugar, butter, and a small amount of water. Place it over medium heat. Stir the mixture continuously to prevent it from sticking and burning. You'll need to bring this mixture up to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the hard crack stage on a candy thermometer. Patience here is key for a rich, golden toffee. Once your toffee reaches the correct temperature, remove it from the heat. This is where the jelly part comes in. Quickly stir in your prepared gelatin mixture until fully combined. Work fast, as the toffee will set quickly. Immediately pour the hot jelly toffee onto a greased baking sheet. Spread it evenly and then let it cool completely at room temperature until firm and ready to break into pieces. After your jelly toffee has fully cooled and hardened, it's time for the best part, breaking it into delicious, bite-sized pieces. You can use your hands or a small hammer for this. Store your homemade jelly toffee in an airtight container at room temperature to keep it fresh for several days. It makes a wonderful treat or a thoughtful gift. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.